Better.
Well, now that light, is that the flashlight on?
What?
Leia, no.
Is that Leia, go get out there with Maddox. Go dance with Maddox.
Yeah, that's.
Go. Pants are coming down. She's gonna lose her pants.
This is.
Come on, Claire, get in there.
Maddox just punched himself in the face. This is. and a takedown on Claire.
I see your butt crack.
This is what we do. This is what we do in the evenings.
Come over here. Claire, come here.
Maddox, you hate the camera.
Claire, copy Maddox. Copy Maddox. You get both.
Yes. No, mostly just.
No, I got peace. Oh.
Okay. Are
Claire,
we?
come over here and dance with Maddox.
Go dance, Clay. Go dance.
Go dance with Maddox, Claire.
Maddox has got some moves. That's called the elephant. Oh no.
Get her. Oh.
Clay, I'm trying to get her. I am getting.
Oh, this is not good. Shh. Don't grab his balls, Claire.
Oh, she just kissed my boob.
What is going on? Oh, why can't you guys live near us here? So we could all be together.
Because we wouldn't be sane if that were the
all
case.
together in separate houses, it would be phenomenal.
Yeah, well, separate houses, yes.
No,
We could all go home to our own
Auntie
place.
Casey is just sitting down, sucking in her guts.
Oh, I don't know. London.
You're in white, Casey. It's a little tough.
What did she say?
She said you're in
Kalea.
white, Casey. That's a little tough.
Oh, are you still beating me up?
Okay.
Oh,